Redesigning a home can be a big challenge. Whether you want a massive change or a small one, the work seems to pile up no matter where you start. For the Harris family, they went all in on a design style from 2002, and now that they are prepping to sell their home, the job seems impossible to tackle. They're in need of a design rescue.
My name is Jason, and this is my wife, Jenny.
And we're the Harrises.
About 12 years ago, we pushed all in with a major renovation of our home. We decided to go old world, kind of at the very end of that trend.
Yes, we really wanted to make it cozy and warm, but now we're seeing that we are way behind and it is just not modern at all.
Yeah, it's kind of dark and heavy and brown everywhere. Really want to lighten everything up.
Yes, and we are getting ready for a resale, so we really are in need of
a design rescue.
This project is a big one because we will be redesigning 5 separate spaces that the Harris family use most. The entryway foyer, the formal dining room, the casual dining room, the kitchen, and the living room. Whew, I've got my work cut out for me.
Hey, come in. We're so glad you're here.
I know, I'm so excited.
No, thank you for coming. We need your help, Bridget.
Well, I have to say, you guys really have a lot of brown.
Yep, you can tell just from the foyer here, we kind of pushed all into this old world theme about 12 years ago. We really want to lighten things up in here.
Yes.
We're thinking about putting our house on the market, and we know that this is not going to be appealing to today's home buyers. So one of our goals is to just lighten everything up.
Yeah, we want to de-brown.
You were very committed, all in to this brown and Tuscan theme, but I feel like we can definitely lighten this up and get you where you need to.
Where do we start?
Let's do a walk around the house so we can make a game plan. If you can show me around.
Oh, let's do it. This is the family room.
Wow. Okay.
Lots of stone.
Yes.
We do like the fact that it's cozy, but we spend a ton of time in here.
Yeah.
We have 5 kids, and this is like a jungle gym. It's a place where we do homework and converse. So we want to keep it cozy, but just lighten it up a little bit.
And I can see things that need to be updated, but it has great bones to it.
Okay.
Check out the dining room. So this is a formal dining room. You can see the theme kind of continuing here.
A lot of brown and trim work. Yeah, pretty trim work though.
Yeah, and of course this is where we spend a lot of time. We eat all of our meals right here.
And we've got a lot of stone surrounding, so I think we need to play off of the stone.
We went all in with the stonework, but we really like the stonework. We want to keep it. We just want to kind of modern things out a little bit and just kind of lighten things up. And then the kitchen is right around the corner.
Welcome to the kitchen.
Wow, this is nice. It's very large.
Yes, it's big, and it's also loud with all the different elements going on.
There's a lot of different finishes.
Yeah, everything's brown cabinets, and we kind of went a little too far with the hood and sort of the Tuscan detail here. Just the backsplash is feeling really dated to me.
I'd like to get my notebook, take some notes, and start in the foyer.
We're clay in your hands.
Okay.
Do it.
Well, when you walk in, this is where everybody has their first impression.
Right.
And I just feel like it is really heavy and dark.
Okay.
So we just want to make a different first impression. Yeah.
Okay. Looking at the space, we can keep the door.
Oh, good.
Good, because we love our little speakeasy
I
right
mean,
here.
it's so cool.
Hello, come on in.
Who doesn't like a
Right.
speakeasy?
Totally.
So I feel like with the finish, this will lend itself to leave some of the brown within the house. When I look on this wall, I do love the mirror. I feel like we need new lamps. And then this piece feels a little bit heavy to me. One thing I'd like to do is take you to the Bermex showroom. They have a lot of pieces that I feel would work really well in this house, and I have an idea for this space.
Awesome.
For the foyer, we needed to find quality furniture pieces that could keep the warmth that the Harris family loves, but feel more modern and functional.
I really love this. I hope you do. I feel like it's a perfect fit.
I took the Harris family to the Bermex warehouse where we hunted for a casual dining table and credenza for the foyer.
And so it's a taupey gray color, which is really unique.
Works well, but yeah.
It does.
I love the handles and the chairs. Those are cool.
Everything Bermex creates is fantastic, so I am thrilled to see the new pieces placed in each room. Now, while I help the guys fix up the foyer back at the house, it's time for the Harris family to meet with Bob from Bermex to pick out the formal dining room table.
Hey, Jennifer, how are you? Good to see you, Jason. How are you? Nice.
This is Sophie. She's shopping with
Hey,
me.
Sophie, welcome to Bermex. How are you today? Good, good. Glad to have you guys.
Thank you. We've been here for a while. Bridget has put us on some really nice stuff over here. We found a great casual dining that we love, but we need your help in getting a few other things, especially the dining room.
Well, I'm happy to help you.
Let's go.
Why don't we get started? Yeah. Jen, maybe some things to look at with some size options. We have some large tables that go out to 120 inches.
Wow, this is beautiful, and I love the size of this one. It's got the 10 chairs.
Loving this finish too. Like this is the finish.
What's great about this finish is it really highlights the natural characteristics of the wood, and that's why we buy wood, to show it off. It's a semi-closed pour finish, so you really get the feeling for wood.
I actually like these chairs too. What do you think about the fabric?
I think this is perfect. I can picture how it would look with the walls when we get those lightened up, and I just think that this is going to be amazing.
What's great about the seat fabric is it's Sunbrella, and Sunbrella are the makers of some of the most stain-resistant and sun-fading fabrics in the industry.
We love this, Bob.
It's a great choice. It's a beautiful choice. Here's a great option for that other piece that you needed for the foyer.
Yeah. I
Wow.
like that it's higher because we have such a huge wall, tall wall in
Yes,
there.
a tall ceiling.
Still
and-
have a lot of storage.
Yes.
You can customize the color, of course, but I think this one would be nice in
I
that
think this
space.
would work.
Today is the day that I get to show Jenny and Jason their new foyer. I'm so excited because this is the first space that has actually been part of the design rescue. We lightened it up from that brown before to now it's so beautiful and simple and elegant. They're going to be here any minute and I cannot wait to show them this new space. Welcome.
Hey, hey!
Are you ready to see your new foyer?
Yes! We are so, whoa!
Come on in. Oh my.
Shut the front door.
It's open.
This is amazing.
Isn't it awesome?
It is so much bigger and so much brighter.
Oh, I cannot even.
Look at the trim
I
work.
love the trim. That just like was like a big giant piece of sheetrock,
Brown sheetrock.
brown sheetrock, and now it's
it's
beautiful moldings and just looks like a magazine.
Your mirror
Oh, it's the same.
and your accessories that were on your sconces.
That's great.
Yes, we were able to reuse those, and with that Bermex piece, it looks awesome.
That console is everything right there. I love
the
it.
height is
Yeah.
just right.
I love it.
I know,
So
and
good.
then look at this area.
That is so
Isn't it
pretty.
beautiful?
The light fixture too is amazing.
The light fixture is gorgeous.
Yeah, I love how the balls sort of diffuse the light different ways.
Exactly. So this was a huge change with just paint and a new piece.
Yes.
So, and it looks amazing.
I agree. Good job.
So excited for you guys.
Thank you. On to the next room, right?
That's right. That's right.
Bring on the family.
Exactly.